babe. Kaya ka na tumawag. Mag-aaral pa ako sa history. Oh. Bye-bye. Love you. Sabi naman kasi ang arahin sa history. Nahin ko na nga sa economical and political results nung dumating ang mga Espanyol. Short tenure of officials. This was when the 2 years and 10 months for the Gobernadorcillo was shortened to 1 year and 3 months. Because of the short tenure, there was a lot of unfinished business in the Philippines and no continuity of policy. Efficient or good governors in general had little time or opportunity to carry out their projects or plans. Because of the short tenure, some of these who were sent here became more interested in enriching themselves quickly than in having a good and efficient government. Hi. The Filipinos were given only unimportant positions in the lower levels of government. Firstly, because they were considered immature wards, and therefore their welfare was to be secured for them by their Spanish rulers. And secondly, because they had been recently converted to Christianity and could not therefore be considered as the moral and spiritual equals of the Spaniards. Kaya nangyari dito?